Hello everyone. There are two types of electric toothbrushes. There's the sonic and then the oscillating type. This is the Philips Sonic, and all that happens is when you turn it on, this vibrates, and I believe up to 60,000 cycles per minute. This type of toothbrush will do more cleaning quickly than the other type. So there are advantages and disadvantages to both. I have always preferred the Philips Sonicare. The one disadvantage to this toothbrush is the space between the brush and the device itself. That little space is critical. And if it fills up with gunk or toothpaste, the brush stops operating at peak efficiency. So about once every 3 months, you're probably going to need to do this. And I'll show you how to do it. I use a sharp knife, a steak knife, and all I do is I bring it in here and I clean this off. This gunk in here. And I believe right now this is reducing the efficiency of this brush by about 30%, which is significant. I don't see it reported anywhere. I happened to see it when I was buying new brushes. You see all that has come off? Remember, this is a pretty hard plastic, so you can rub it. Do you see all that's come off? And now the brush will operate far more efficiency because it has that needed space open. Thank you.